To fix the Black Ops 6 DirectX crash error, several solutions can be attempted. The first step is to turn the game's textures to low or very low, which may resolve the issue immediately. To do this, go into the game and change the texture settings to low or very low. Then try playing to see if the game still crashes. Although this may affect the game's appearance, it's a simple solution to try first if the problem persists. The next step is to verify the integrity of the game files, especially if the game is installed on Steam. This involves going to the game's library, right-clicking on the game, selecting Properties, and then clicking on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process scans the game's files and repairs or reinstalls any damaged ones. Another solution is to run the game in safe mode by adding a specific command to the game's launch options on Steam. To do this, go to the game's properties, find the launch options, and type in the command. Then, try playing the game to see if it resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, uninstalling and reinstalling the game may be necessary. This involves uninstalling the game from Steam, deleting the game's folder, and then reinstalling the game. To do this, go to the game's properties, manage the game, and select Uninstall. Then, delete the game's folder and reinstal the game as usual. As a final option, if the game is installed on a drive that may be causing compatibility issues, try installing the game on a different drive. To do this, uninstall the game, delete its folder, and then reinstall it, selecting a different drive during the installation process. By trying these different solutions, the DirectX crash error in Black Ops 6 should be resolvable, allowing the game to run smoothly.